Hi guys, my name is John DeMello. This is Ideas GHTV.
This is your girl Miss Force, and you know seminar first to say keep watching Ideas GHTV.
Yo, Ideas TV, you are full of ideas, you are full of creativity. Ideas TV, we're too sure from one Canada.
You are bedding po komi Kofi that or record we will move and pimple a bepe and essence Ideas GHTV. Move.
Well, how the fireman mescal layer representing for Ideas TV, you don't know. And we say tin shot can call more fire.
One shot, is it? I'm a damn Dempsey and I represent it for Ideas, is it? The best and the best and the best in if you come attack the Ghana, watch out. At the Dempsey, one shot, crime free, one time.
So the mommy and I'm a come and tell me I'm so down be late. I dey miss it all the time. You could kill me, make what up, Charlie? This is your boy Mule. Once again, gangster, yo, keep on watching Ideas TV. I mean, keep it locked. Mad love. Phoebe, I'm
keep watching Ideas TV. Thanks for supporting us. Bye bye. Going up to the top without you.
Yeah, this is Kwakesi and we're rocking live on Ideas GHTV. Abadam.
Good evening, welcome to Ideas GHTV. And then so yaba show had a or your Facebook live or had a showbiz bars. Yeah, the numbers and some be then one has a man with their social media. No, wow, chere. And some more according to Dawson, sister. But Dawson. But yeah, him near more dead, dear more dead, dear more yam. And no, on a my ya, na mason son do, messy video, share. The way my stories now with the bro and when you're bedroom or thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for setting your notifications also and joining us right here on Ideas GHTV on Facebook. You can also get interactive with us. So they be a catch in your conversation or cordon. Now I also send no message through Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Yes. Obi baka jere Twitter on cat Twitter or cat Twitter injo it's our American Nibian no fa ho na there about Twitter at Ideas GHTV. You tag us and then you share our post and you comment also, and also on Instagram at Ideas GHTV. Yeah, nice photos na you training na and pictures na styles wom no there photo bo how wa dora ngwa photos be like that on Instagram. It's nine there. Search us on Instagram at IdeasJTV. This is Showbiz Bars, your favorite TV show at this time of the hour. All the time, yeah, on BBR, rather than have a phone. A quadrum, and the Saturdays on go for quaji. And that's why we 2020 I have a chrome sister better. I am not sure who you are. I am sure who you are. She left and right and look at she left beam. To them, my your prime, you know what catching. This year, go for two chile. It bust my brain. And so we thank God for life. We thank God for for giving us life for you to come on here to watch us. This is Showbiz Bars, and my name is Sika Woman. Nanda no, yaba beshe. En week nimu stories be a oda akote no week nimu ono na ende ye ba be pensem mu ne we kan ye de we yanka ma eyi say ya e dey ezu say isi day ezu si day chede ni na ye de ba be mo. And that is our news for today. And I start from nim kwakumenu from Kumawood Injo interviews be o ye na o oside o Shatawale Kwampono on na Stoneboy one now when united no na nkasa on enu anje chere Shatawale is unhappy that shata na chere kwakumenu pedoka asemi chenye no wote ya kwakumenu pedoka de Shatawale se wanye beefa ewa na ne ho things like to them I feel like coffee kind of my body is doing like something na Shatawale anybody know is doing like something no oh yeah no ho shio ye them na kwakume no are koye Kumawood actor or sounds so musician or sounds so say ni movie ni nyuma wa abono or the videos never out in I won't watch out for that one too. Nanda no why there ended that and the hashtag be in sensible kodo you medical ne girl AMG medical amount for girls medical I me kan yo za no mo kan you would on ne girlfriend fella ma coffee oh videos be on Instagram stories to Facebook that wala say enko sha o say bridal shower said this is today before yam bridal shower baby shower chele first now was the bachelorette party minim so was spinster party was it awanya she ni na waye ni e hwe videos ni edwinde o medical no fella dey say I want the controversy na pranks na open na and then the ana day ana china na we jai ya kopegi chow ya ka fai ho entourage abedi na chi kopegi chow sana oye relo ha wedding na wa kodo in the chede because reception no ko da ho kodo orokodo to them ayeka we fie kuma dey orokodo then ye na ye hu videos ye hu pictures wedding I friend why I feel being wa shane agbada I the blue be agbada na I feel be sia so wa vision kente different colors why you colors Ghana colors ni na be they know that soon the independent 63rd independent anniversary no so any than the colors in na to am why colorful na anything so one funny short na wash river na ya grow wa fan won set na wedding na iPhone wo da agola and ya share video say na enu age ya kan wa some social media na she the hashtag or trend no dey odo so obi say Kofi me peda me kan twi o medi fella on your brofo na side no on your medi fella but said the ba Fante the ba any local dialect ni we wa or your medi fella like but I me for what jay me for what dwe na nko ho or your medical na fella wa and ye twitwa medical no do ye de ka ye twa ka na free ho ana fella no so no no there or your fella makafu into no fella ne do ye short ye ntum nya no fell either wa abofom ti medi fella into no mema eti medi fella mema wa dwe na de hu medi fella on social media mema wa dwe ne nko chi bebre or your medical and fella medi but it say ya de medi fella yo into oni nya so in some record no felical chere ye hu videos no bebre ye hu hashtags ni bebre but ye dey new ajama no ma hon we are happy for them but woman ye hu picture be ati ye hu ade fella has collapsed hey sister na wedding day na collapse here ene ye na ye nyima hye ye hu video no so ye dey wakan yo ye hu video na chere medical no hu nyina la lo so chere olu so agali mu chere ne wife na wala bread there sham na wala imagine there awal artist ka why wedding poppy fe day na fe day wedding yale ye wie yimpa na why fully wa gugu olugu fom wala just imagine how medical felt that very instant because such a video na brother ne hu na jaja no wa so ne yiri no wode ne kokal some few minutes later yete sister fella say prank jai na say that mo video you should expect any onye yi bia on the dem yam wa ja also a prank hopefully because medical or share how a medical be feel say na sister na wana la afa ya walu komina chere ebe pull a prank na say na said that she be ababa ma da wa so be prank here but no medical about sister no na chere on any conversation or kodo or social media until her just follow Ideas JT we na yan de bia me catch you there de bad twem de sene de sensen ho de sha ase chere yekọ ni akotutu ni na e da bro chere info ni na won sabeka entire follow yen ye social media platforms ni na do no videos a wode share nyama e wode hu ni na no ye de bottle ho na so ahwe ehwa na tag obi no yanko bi o ha bi na adwemba do no no so we hu na share na obi so ahwe bi da ma selfish are you fine kwa no are you full yalum are you full yalum na ye hwehwa videos yanko ho a girl ya Also I Cardi B ne twin sister Cardi B so de man ka some high me de hon me disappointed in Cardi B kaka because Cardi B you know me a fan me have chere body gang me chere me ka ho e che be ya ba fa anu ya kokko ni ta me kala so so for Rosemont Brown Cardi B ne 20 yes girl na e crapin polo so on make end we hu no na sister tia kokko fe ne hu mom do ne hu twa ne hu ya konno kada nchina ma wa acho no eh no hu ya konno ankasa no ana wa ye video o kaka nsem bebre de fela yinsen ana wa force medical na la wala ehwe video na pictures ko ambe de medical na enu anja wa no ho medical de ana nsem de esi sister fela sister e ko abin polo Rosemont Brown enya wona na say ye hu video bia fela do to ska good ya wala da for me or to ska good and nipa waka de so nipa jasa mana o de nemo bo me kada de bia won so chere mala me share video na ma akoma yi na ebubu na o de me fa kwan video na me hihye na me bet na showbiz bars do wa na me de ekode ni na me de bro chere mala it boss my brain men tase na that chi bi no o de sister Rosemont Brown ye hwe na ye hwehwe mu kakra ye hwehwe me nim say awo na medical na fera one na sister oyo wana ono no yo the man ka samak aba sama nipa ne chere video ye hu video na asinya video fela lo to ska ku the function the when address so also the nim da o they are na pe na chi ana obi nkofo bi so se dey obi na wa bone pay ewa obi ma me sheda nim obi ko na ope da woka no enti wan ka so for wadwen bu se wan ka se hwe kwapem polo adori ye ya oye fine oye chere mara medron wa I can't mentase but then whatever happens aftermath wedding nature bibi obe happen bia ma hwana beka meyi bosom meyi boto ni na no trust us there ye chere ye just ni na bebro exclusive ones no on a day man can't show wala mpo baby anywhere benya chere Ideas TV ewa yan gote ne na showbiz bars do yeah baze I had en gote na ebenya all these stories. Now thank you for joining us. Me there when you aje pada ehwen me try as much as possible so na me read all your messages, so keep them coming. I'll read them all for you. Now back to asema and they were discussing and then me kind to them American can yeah in sense more called weekend entertainment industry ni me wa top issues ni bi ono an ye jim na ya kan wasam then no de bia me ne two strong men say I won't say ya bula bra chere amena make catch me say ya bula bra ba to abolos wa hade but in then abolo kolamba ya me bia ka style bi na de ntino amba ntena no ye ne salasi pe ana ye ne be digimedi ntino well de bia ne mo ye show ne mo ye daw it get feisty, it get exciting, it get entertaining, it get educating ni na ewa enim there the man no be so you are going to spice everything up bibia be fine so now there just relax ewa popcorn bi or ha go and grab it chill drink bi so she fridge or ice cream fufu mpa kona kofa che de man champesi ono so no my favorite kona kofa na di brother e de hwan ya na e de type na e de comment de ba na the so na de share na de tag obi na de like the man here no it's no Salasi what's up
everything cool it dey buzz your brain
Charlie
you don't think far I see that thing
Charlie man kasa
are you a fan?
No, but mentally there, two young people will fall in love. We're to what now? We make a decision that no, we are going to spend the rest of our lives together. Okay. Now, I will teach you now, Chale.
A very trending tea, just got out some news.
Because I say I am kind of awesome.
Sure.
Now say I am kind of awesome.
We all know who she is.
Oh.
Yeah.
And see what I'm paying, young castle, maybe Maybe so last week in accordance from
everything goes
Monday
like,
to
smoothly. Be fine.
Be fine. Kasem says, "Kabi aba."
When slow. Ska.
Actually, ska me a short waba. Waba.
Yeah.
Waba.
Oroba. The money is coming.
Hey, awa.
Trust the process.
So how's the day behind the weekend? And before that, ended that Independence Day. It didn't done.
Oh, you all knew that the Independence Day was meaningless. Yeah, it's not. This one is not about NDC or NPP.
No,
Since nothing is going on. Why are we celebrating freedom?
Oh, nothing is here, bro.
Whilst corruption is still there.
Well, it's not corruption though, baby. America corruption. A great Britain. Corruption though, baby. Corruption though, yeah, it's something that we can't do with that. Like it's everywhere. It's everywhere.
Anyway,
the way I ought to Ghana and Africa,
then how we practice it is not that well. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
yeah. So me, I don't enjoy the Independence Day. No.
Oh, intended uncle baby.
Oh, just indoor.
Oh, on your file, Independence. You actually found it better. Colonial masters, what I want to hang to me. I shouldn't put about higher. Yeah, the showbiz bazaar, bro. But more to be no. Yeah, the yamiase at least you're queen name. Otidana yellow queen name kakaka obey ye anamuba ana
obey ye. Oh, we have future. We have future.
Future natural brighter.
Oh, bright.
But yesterday, did you watch it on TV, the celebration?
Yeah, I was watching one of the channel. Yeah, the Kumasi people, how they welcomed the whole thing. I was like, wow, that's nice.
Yeah, apart from that, I loved everything that went on there. On there, most of the time, we are used to just children, pupils and students going to march, and we have our security personnel, that's the armed forces, the Ghana Army, and all that, immigration, customs, and what also, Navy. Even this, yes, Navy and all. But this year, we saw something different. Do you think we should keep on like that?
I myself, I don't enjoy the whole those things. I don't enjoy the 6 March. So I don't really pay my attention to it yesterday. I just flash it out. It's okay. Yeah, some people are celebrating, so well, it's all good.
Okay. Well, for me, I feel that it's about time. Yeah, if you are not permanently, but remember the last year we started with Tamale. Yeah, last year we held it at Tamale, and it was massive. We saw diverse cultures. We saw the culture of the people from the northern region, and it was so beautiful. We saw different things because why did we are used to seeing the same thing. They be the same thing now, but then this time around, it was different. And this year, Kumasi, maybe next year, it could be in Western region or Central region or probably Eastern region or any of the new regions, because any direction those from the new 6 regions, they represented, and it was beautiful. I don't know if you saw various regions, Central and Western region. Did you see them?
No.
Now, oh, they masqueraders in our way.
The anchors.
Anchors for no what Jinam right. I saw ya. Or the Jinam that my name is Kumasa for how when you share. What's the where they will be done? See, I won't as a pokra, cheddar, pokra. Kumasa for Mazumi. But my uncle call for so Kumasa on it. Mazumi, Kumasa girl. Hey. Kumasi girl cover. I am medal so that they were able to experience it, because every time they see it on TV or they see it on social media, especially last year Christmas, not New Year 2020. Who now what TV and who was social media and I home felt because
used to experience it.
Yeah, so like wash a share and tan terribly wash a mask, like it's very different for that wash a mask what Jina Ewa in Jado, and I think it was nice. Yesterday's event was it was colorful, it was beautiful. I hope that you're not painful no but not why you're consistent than my one every year piano. And also not also make suggestions that we should have a day where we are going to display our cultures as Ghanaians.
Sure.
But I know that we have National Culture Day. This year, no, what's what I share 12th to 14th of this month, March. The March is Ghana month. So what I share 12th to 14th of this month. You know, you all should watch out. Info be baby and Showbiz bars. I don't know. They are yet to bring out the program outline, everything. It's hopefully next week. Say shower had Medini now so Medeba Brohum now also went home. It's an answer March or a Ghana month because you're an independence in March. It's March a Ghana month. I rock your African wear and from next week on a bone day you rock an African wear or had they're colorful. You know we have different we are from different backgrounds now. It's never rocking na efo about to let time not the share. Efo for dress that. Oh
You get that ready.
Also what na the be show na
how you do your thing I was like
no and then I didn't know what they show na don't offend them.
We call it Z.
Z.
Yeah.
Z.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until next week, call water. So what to Tembia?
Enjoy. It's part of our culture. Yeah.
Anna why have it even?
The kente. Sure.
And beats. And I want one.
They were.
They are not into beats.
They were.
Until next week, I'll buy about to two kente na. Or as of Z. Yes, you also bring that one too. And thanks to everyone watching. Yes, Magic George went to one Baba share and also share. Bring your comments. Nina, yeah, bro. Selassie, this year and then going to Abia. This week's stories, entertainment stories of it. When he paranoid or catch your attention.
Okay.
Any interest too.
My mind, is still on Sarkodie and Shatawale's beef.
Should I be fair though?
Oh yeah, it's good for business.
Okay.
Beef is good for business. So when the issue comes up, like we need to talk. But we need to pay attention to what the artists are saying.
Okay.
But
we should pay attention to what the artists
what is coming out from the friend there. This and someone band.
Which is that their songs now.
These songs,
okay. Okay.
Yeah. But Ghanaians, we don't hold it like that. We just judge the person for coming out like Otunjuma against Obi.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm still thinking about that beef right now. Though Sarkodie hasn't replied.
But do you expect Sarkodie? Do you think Sarkodie will reply?
He shouldn't. Because some of the issues are true.
How true? How about issues now?
Oh, the song, the Little Tip song from Shatawale. Shatta was like, Sarkodie sold Out to Be Out. And yes, it's true. Yeah, and there are a lot of issues. How did he do
that?
And there are a lot of issues. Oh, he knows, everyone knows in Tema. Sarkodie is not holding Tema. Out to Be, they are the people holding Tema. But now, Kabute is now claiming that.
Oh, but Saka is also a Tema guy.
Oh, but who was holding Tema?
Oh, no. So when you Ekada.
But Sarkodie
they were all Tema people.
But yeah, we know. But Sarkodie sold them out. So
Shatta said, "No, Okoton will be another day."
When someone sell you out,
20 cities.
When someone sell you out, you know.
So
we sell you out. I'm saying. Like I could expose you, man, be then Bagunos over here drink different amount. That's sell out.
Okay.
Yeah. So Sarkodie, Shatawale was like Sarkodie sold, Out to Be Out. That was 1.1 mile little tips. Like, me feel like Ghanaians should listen to the song, but they don't want to listen to the song.
You think Ghanaians are not paying attention?
They are not paying attention to the song.
What's so special about the song?
Yeah. You see, we all thought that Shatawale was just trying to, make fun of Sarkodie. But no. Some months ago, that was in November, there was this issue that Sarkodie, or people and Austin Sarkodie up with cocaine.
Set up.
Oh,
okay.
Serious issue. But Ghanaians are not talking about it. You see, Ghanaians are not talking about it. And later on, Little Tip song, Shatawale was like, Sarkodie is, doing drug. We don't understand. Because you can compare the previous story, and this story is like Shatawale issue, we don't compare it. Like we compare it like no, we are not saying that. No, we are not saying that Sarkodie is doing drug. But we need to pay attention to what the guy is saying. Like, also, Sadachi be set up no badwa or Shatawale another or one. Do you get my point?
Okay.
So we Ghanaians, we just judge. Hey, we don't listen to the song, but then we start judging that you know. Beef or this song is not for azonto. It's not for enjoyment. It's for the mind. What is coming out from the person, Mouth.
Okay. You bringing up beef, you have to beef, baby.
Sure.
Baby. Beef was started. On yet Shatawale Stonebwoy Sarkodie, what started with the beef. As far back as any legendary high life artist Nibin Poha. But yeah, that is the time of Daddy Lumba and then I think Nana Champion one time. Yes. I think almost so we had the likes of Ex-Donum and LK Lord Kenya and Obrafonum Wabe one day Caucasus so in oh Odosum, beef ne de was started watcher. Yati. Yes. Why beef ne de Odosum was started yacha. When you're new in the system. Do you think it's healthy?
Oh.
Yeah, beef archer. How has it helped the industries?
Do you know something? Beef itself, on your planting. Say beef in music, like on your plant.
Oh, but so we know that some of the artists plant it.
I'm coming. When you go to USA, we knew how beef has caused a lot of death.
Like Tupac and Biggie,
Tupac, Biggie, Triple X, a lot of them. A lot of them. Only few just died whilst using drugs. Only few, but a lot of them, baby or a beef now. But South Africa, you use as promoting our brand.
Most of the time, I said them now I them not.
Sure, but beef or a real. Be a real.
Example.
Shatawale and Stonebwoy real.
Shatawale and Sarkodie.
No, Shatawale and Stonebwoy.
What of Shatawale and Sarkodie?
That one is real. But the most serious one is Stonebwoy and Shatawale. But later on, there was nothing like that. Though there was a pool of Ghana at VGMA.
Yeah,
stage. But it was like it was part of the showbiz. So
the man I the quit you too much like no watching him.
It's good for business. Because do you know something? We in the like showbiz players we are few. So mostly the parents they don't even want their kids to even enter our zone.
That is it. That is it.
So,
how will parents also allow their kids to?
They don't even hear about this. They don't hear about this. They don't.
Who didn't hear about Stonebwoy and Shatawale?
They don't.
VGMA night no.
No. Few.
No. Don't say only few.
The ones that do what? Do what?
No, because now social media is
not all
here.
the OGs that go to
No, wait. We saw it on TV, watch the news, and it was all over. Even outside Ghana, outside Africa, there are some news channels, entertainment platforms. They were showing the video. They were even discussing it like we are discussing it here.
But you don't watch.
No, people saw it. People watched it. Even though they weren't.
Do you know why I'm saying this? Do you know why I'm saying this? Look, whatever that is, I go to some places in Kwesimintim. You hear these, women singing Stoneboy Shatawale song.
Yeah.
But I never heard them talking about the beef.
They know what went on.
So to me, if they know about this beef, why don't they stop singing the song?
Well, maybe they didn't know about the beef. They don't really know what it entails and all the things. But then they knew. They knew. Even Obia on him put there na beef recorded between Shatawale and Starboy. Later on, no about what happened on the night, that very night, awards night, So from there, no kwampuna. Later on, I wanna win him. You better I wanna win him. The beef record no po. What I said no, so beef record. So later on, everyone got to know about it.
It's a beef by one. Where the youth, that's enjoy most. Enjoy. So it's good for we the youth.
How is it good? Because
a lot of them.
Maybe they will contribute to entire so youth.
A lot of youth enjoyed it. That's the fact about it. Some may say, Stoneboy or any Shatawale or any, but we all enjoyed it because it's for business. It must happen. So I have gone bank. I didn't go Ponko baby. That's it. So me sometimes I see that the beef that you play Africa or a good or Davido and Whiskey, you have to be brave.
But also the artists there, they don't really take advantage of it. That is a business side now. By the night, they are just showing their lyrical powers and bragging and all that. But business part, won't find you.
Anyway, music angasano, say a rapper, rap there like or you're bragging with, but if what you are saying right now, that for their brand they don't do so, while showing that okay, though they are lyrically bragging that they are good, point to each other, but their brand doesn't show that they do what they are doing, what their lyrics is showing now. Anyway, Obiang and Ade, how they promote their songs. Okay, Shatawale might be backing a lot of artists, but a lot of people keep on complaining that I didn't try and show Shatawale in Jumo, Tracer Band, BT channels. It's all normal. You're normal. You see, it's normal thing.
But speaking of Shatawale, in him there no the controversies na beefs there no. Controversy near Shatawale near beef near Shatawale to many near other day baby all hobby. Now let's look at Shatawale. With what Kwekumeno said about him, there after owning a Stoneboy, one beef, and they came together to smoke the peace pipe. Why the Shatawale on 2 months survive without beef? It's not a China long Stoneboy, and then it's on a Stoneboy and expiry date action. Watch one beef, It's this year, on your behind all those also the name in Abogra, Bossiaido, Sacado. Do you think he can't survive without beef?
Oh, but on your beef not in the bed.
What are the music career now? No, so obey now. He wanted to be accepted doing now or started with the Godfather, that is Samini and some Nina or the started. You are the various boy.
On your beef on Shatawale or Hiti.
That's what you think.
Oh, we can counter it, from Ninjumoye, Dance King. Everybody like Biting, Mama Paper, a lot of songs, hit songs.
But not just songs, because sometimes Obiang Kasa no Obiang no answer man.
Now
part of pushing his brand, now Obiang no answer man, I don't know what it's Opede or ye baby nanko foka, media never can, Showbiz bars, the Babats na Hanayaka. Nani now, ya believe over there. Shatawale is doing the system of the attention.
If I've done something and catch him that I didn't like on ya, won't you tell me that it's not good? So if Shatawale Oba online, or someone here, why do people see that or a bad?
But then people also think that no, there are certain things that
Shatawale
no here.
See, or any feeling or feel like some or like opera. Obianka, no one is saying like hot or no, like on always. No one is saying it.
Yeah, that on could say they be an uncle ten or who be. Should I shut away?
You need to talk because I don't know this kind of combo bar industry no. Say Becca. oh Shatawale wanna be Shatawale na Kampada who opened up the game here in Ghana, Showbiz. Shatawale. Wanna be
Them not watching.
So if the guy is trying to fight for us, the artists, then some fans from other fan bases, then tag as a bad person. I want me feel pity. Then why are they doing this? Even some of our own friends, celebrities, artists, they hate Shatawale for no reason.
Okay.
You know your name. Your name. But the guy, I don't know open up game no.
Okay.
So if Opera Express no of social media, they did all record. Why is that?
Lastly, on Shatawale any issue after Oduna Stoneboy when he beef expiry date teaching here, why being see? How do you see Shatta's career after the beef? How do you see it? Presence in the media and everything. Aside controversies, no.
Or after everything, say Ninjungwa record, Melissa is a hit, Aquila take, Prophecy.
Yes, the more taking and content.
Save her heart.
People always say Shatawale doesn't make good songs.
Who is saying this?
People will just jump to it and dance.
Who is saying this?
But then good, we can revisit it and then feel like, yay.
Have you listened to Melissa?
Yeah.
Melissa.
That's why the one be because Obi to be released more than 100 songs in a year. Maybe I shall be
no, do you know something? Shatawale is a kind of artist. Obiani Dio.
Okay.
That's how the SM fan base is. So if you don't understand SM, like you'll be like, Obiani Dio. So that is Shatawale. So meaning he's doing music. He's not joking. So why don't we, hail the king?
You hail the king, Ken Shatta. We hail on now. And now we're all done. Well, we are moving away from Shatawale, and you all know that when it gets to the first quarter of every year, Biana, you're very busy here because what do we call it? Awards, no? Hey, you be awarding any musicians, hard-working ones, lazy musicians. Sorry, I could 1 or 2 years the album. I could pitch award. No, hard-working ones, no. I wanna why I don't industry name no. Yeah, award one tonight. The more do this time of the year. At this time, around this time of the year, no. Now, the nomination. I bet now award you could. Well, we all know VGM. It's been here for this is the 21st. Yes. 21st edition. No. Actually, why are they? Even though Charterhouse, they be able in H every year be able in H but they watch it, they are solid.
Oh yeah.
Imagine I'm so for more than 20 years.
Do the organizing is somewhere about.
Yeah. But then award scheme behind why perfect. So what I say, even when you look at some of the international award schemes in the company, or more, you see, the biggest award schemes in the company. Even after that, in the company, Kofi the negative reviews and all that, whatever. But they're not the same, kudos to VGMA, kudos to Charterhouse. They've done well. At least they've been with us, music and to my and creative arts and whatever. When you went to my but why are they? It's they say in our young conversation in I bet VGM only the end to me a new film because or kodo pa or there can watch them. But then I saw a video on Facebook, DKB comedian DKB, he was talking about anchor artists or then they have to push they have to be behind Shatawale and Stoneboy. Maybe I don't know if he was trying to say there like one boycott, not really boycott. But then when you now on the Chinanka ban, I wanted to Stoneboy and Shatawale do because of what happened last year. Nanka, we year for.
I think this is a better trend. Look,
trend. If you're
trend, and it will never happen. Boycott season.
Oh, not really boycott, but at least in Kenya, top artists and other musicians think about what the Stoneboy and Shatawale when H maybe I when in our open work at Shatta house there. Oh, wait there and KB and win here, and I say.
But Omudi Kankasa. First, music offender and Chatter House Bay. They're okay. This year, they don't really know if they will release the ban or not.
Okay. Well, obviously they didn't.
Some issues be Ben and then I Chatter will come start then. Or tell yeah, aggressive way. A Stoneboy also came in. I don't need the awards. I don't know new friend then near conference.
Yeah,
okay.
You mentioned it. Yeah.
Also, Nugambo on Fano. So, how come DKB doesn't think about this? That the guys themselves, they are not even ready.
Okay.
DKB just want to trend. He just want to trend.
Okay. Or trend.
And moreover, Charterhouse or a private company or a government institution, they are boycott them. Or Ghana Revenue Authority, like, or a companies maybe.
Okay.
A private organization. So why are you saying this? If Omuchu say that okay, yeah, nominate this artist and away artist, you have nothing to say. Or is the award scheme?
Okay.
So the KB issue, come on.
Well, yeah, in there, VGMA nominees, what about last week? Yeah, Bobo Bido. And that's so share a quick one in time no Aroko Bebre share high life song of the year no high life song of the year and me share I wanna I want nominate one in no a no more high life artist of the year but somebody like Akwabwa name be any high life song of the year but high life artist of the year or ayo next week baba na akwa hwehwem na yehu why the munyamyame osisi because this is not the first time I yehu the made over the past years no yehu the munyame now high life song of the year I wanna enum ho no 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 crow 8 awotwe ana injo 9 adwa awotwe ama watching injo adwa 8 into enum 8 call we have Bra by Kim Promise and then the legendary Kojo entry. We also have Old Story that I have Kofi featuring Fame. We have Kwame Eugene Obiato and we have Adina Sika Bakara Adina or Shama the Bonum and then we also have Sarkodie Sarah and Almighty Things Fall Apart by the man himself, Kofi Kenata. And we also have Kona Kona, that is Sister Fia, featuring Kevin Boy. And also we have Nothing I Get, Familia, Familia Charlie. Oh no, the remix no, your original one na, Unkofudu Hunu no, a remix na, Atuka one medical Kwame Eugene womb, oh no, but me, I don't understand why I feel, say, original one when we had the sing. I say remix no. And you be I seen a remix no or a dog. No, I knew I wasn't a remix no either, but you never remix na I mean oh yeah she. So last year between the Moon Coffee song high life song.
Oh, Kofi Kenata
choose be two be
Kofi Kenata deserve,
Hey, Sarah or Kwana
Sarah is not even high life. To me, Sarah is not even a good song to me.
Come
on, your babe is messing up, man.
Oh, maybe you don't agree with the lyrics, but then it's a good song.
It's not a good song.
Oh, overall, no.
Good song.
Oh no, Sarah is a good song, but maybe you can't relate. You can't relate the lyrics. Only they are fine. I know say you. Well, my person mechanic.
Come on.
Things fall apart.
Yeah, it's a good song.
But I feel like
Brian,
that song is some high life standard ABO.
Yeah. Brian, things fall apart.
So you're waiting for this to things fall apart.
Most definitely Kenata is going to secure that.
What makes you think that
everyone loved the song?
For me, I think that if it's with the content, then Kenata. But I don't really feel the high life the high life song Things Fall Apart. But then
Kanata is doing the high life show.
Yeah, but then with Things Fall Apart today, if it's with content today, I know that only their hands down. We are Kanata Things Fall Apart. But for me, I think it's between Sarah.
No.
I think it's between these three: Sarah, Kanata, and.
Don't even mention Sarah.
Bruh. Even though I don't. Sarah and Yanuma, I like the song, but I can't relate to the lyrics. No. What? Why should I relate to the lyrics? Usubang so no. Hey, Usubang. Oh yeah, pack your things and go. Waka pass. And no. So that's the end time no call. Until the end to we share other. But then share hip life high life share artists not so quickly na so Jumedido. We have Ken Promise, Kiddy, Adina, Kofi Kenata, Kwame Eugene, Dada Hafko and Akwabwa. There again, Kiddy, Nino Mini high life song of the year. But our Hade yes. Also Akwabwa too. So these two. And more our high life song grow 8, but I had seven. Why 7 or had next week gonna make next week Magic Suso Baba has Selassie had so we'll delve into that. But high life artist Can Promise, Kiddy, Adina, Kofi Kenata, Kwame Eugene that have go in Akwabwa.
Kenata.
Hey.
Oh, everything will go for Kenata.
Should
I highlight something? High life no. Do you know something? We Ghanaians come we are confused about.
Oh, Kwame, you know what's it all? You kind of high life no. Why should I in China? I was there.
Do you know something? Our artists, they are doing Afrobeat, Afropop. Afropop campus is not even a genre. Why do we call it Afropop?
Oh, Afropop. I know it's African popular music or something.
African
like
popular music. How?
I want to share. So pop no one. We know how pop.
The Afro stand for Africa.
Yeah.
So meaning the high life and Afrobeat is the same thing.
Okay.
You see. So I mean, sometimes following VGMA, they are.
But quickly, high life artist.
Or high life. Anyway, the one who deserves it.
But who do you feel should take it?
Oh, currently Kanata is doing high life for me. All of his song high life.
Hey, Akwabwa.
Oh, come on. We're talking about
who's
doing...
Kwame, see a man a crown
we are talking about who is doing high life at the moment.
Now, other
most people, they don't do it always. They do the switch Afrobeat, this, that.
Okay.
But the one who is doing the main gen, Kanata is not doing anything apart from high life.
Okay.
So he need to, secure that spot. So that's what I'm willing.
Kanata edition.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not like Sako or high life in June this year. So honorable win whilst on high life artist or a rapper. No, I don't believe in. No.
All right. So quick shout out to remember our guys to be shout out.
Shout out our viewers. Both abroad and local. Yeah.
US photo washer. I've been Texas from Houston and. Yeah, we appreciate you guys, your time and year of return this year. Youngest ideas, the way any year of return. Yeah, fans are all war diaspora and war house. In our umbrella, a big party, and also don't forget to see there. Join any group on Facebook, Friends of Ideas JTV. Just search it and then click on the join button. Yeah, when you click it. They will accept you, and then when you join, invite your friends, the friends on your list. Once so one bam meka home. Na bibia won't be yes, our brother. We are all family. Hey, we are all family. Maybe one of these days, we invite some of you guys into the studios. Now you also have a feel of how things are being done here. How I am also kodayo to me day and shows. It sounds so. Bro. Well, this brings us to another exciting episode of Showbiz Bars. Showbiz Bars. On the bars, if you had my vibration, but then nobody in one cause I adore and patch there, sister brother, one cause very active by force now. Yeah, so it's been exciting. Thank you for watching, and it's been a nice show. Yami Adoma Tuesday, we will come to you at exactly 8 p.m. So watch out and thank you. But then a quick announcement. Okay, birthday. Yes. Birthday for no. Match for no. Now, you wonder where Ghana number. Because March na an independent. Big shouts to our do birthday. Instead of American channel, say birthday another pedal wish would have been Evan birthday wishes. You just send me a message on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram at Sika Woman on Facebook and also at Miss Woman on Instagram and also on Twitter. And you can also send us direct message on Facebook. Ideas JTV when I send you a message, you will receive them and then we will read them for you and also for your loved ones. But quickly, a big shout out, happy birthday, Kasi Pa Uncle Kofi Zakpasu.
Zakpasu.
Nine share. I mean, dakle na abamatadi. Hey, chere.
Abobitadi.
Me our friends nine ona no aka na kle. Sometimes I kona ya me pen mo ko enwa. Hey na 1,000 na de.
You need to travel to Volta region.
Oh, you can see. Yeah, so happy birthday to you, Kofi Zakpasu. Yeah, you are also a photographer right here in Tadi. Okay, one of the young photographers are what my things happen in Tadi. Sometimes I say who nice photos, scenes from our coastal areas now. Hey, be who there, ndim bodo. Hey, nankasa onu no to the move for any na. And we appreciate you guys. We appreciate your hard work. And I'll be behind. So if you're watching us and you are celebrating your birthday today, we wish you a happy birthday and God bless you all and thank you for watching. See you next time on Tuesday at exactly 8 p.m. Bye-bye.